The new CTR circled the 12.94-mile track in 7 minutes and 44.881 seconds, beating the Renault Mégane R.S.'s previous record by a half-second. FK Tech here. The 2023 Honda Civic Type R sets the record for the fastest front-wheel drive car on the Nürburgring Nordschleife. Honda's new Type R completed the 12.94-mile course in 7 minutes 44.881 seconds, while the Renault Mégane R.S. losing from 2019. Trophy R time is 7 minutes 45 seconds 399. The record-setting CTR includes a set of Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2-track tires available as a $1,780 dealer-installed option, and the new Honda Civic Type R is an all-wheel drive beast. We've known this for a while, and today the world is reminded of its greatness as Honda announces it's the fastest front-wheel drive car to ever lap the famous Nürburgring Nordschleife. The 315 horsepower hatchback completed the 20 km lap in 7 minutes 44 seconds 881. This time, the Renault Mégane R.S. from 2019. Trophy R. The Trophy R wore Bridgestone S007 rubber, and the CTR packed Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 rings. These racing tires are available to regular customers as part of a $1,780 dealer-installed option. Watch the R-rated Civic set a lap record from the cockpit in the video below. Those who remember the 2017 Civic Type R, which recorded an even faster lap time of 7 minutes and 43.80 seconds on the Nürburgring, may be scratching their heads now. Because, as my colleagues at Road and Track explained, things have changed at the Nürburgring since then. Basically, track runners started regulating lap times, including new rules about where laps start and end. The Nordschleife used to be 32.8 miles from start to finish, but is now 32.94 miles. The addition of 0.14 miles in official timings mean that lap times set before the 2019 rule change cannot be directly compared to later times. No, the new CTR is not slower than the old CTR. We saw this in the most recent Lightning Lap Tour, where the 2023 Civic Type R is the fastest FWD vehicle ever driven at Virginia International Speedway, VIR. The time was also 2 minutes 58.8 seconds, 1.9 seconds faster than the old R limited edition. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.